Just took a lunch break, YouTube. And go ahead and do some more on it. Okay, it's on.
And here we go.
I could actually make it hang. I could make it hang a little better if I go like this. A miniature spider leg. I'll just peel it down.
Turn it around so the wood is over here, and I'll grab it with the skid steer.
Okay. Perfect balance, eh, Jeff?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it would have turned all the way. Watch that hot tub. There it is. I'll give you a little one here. Kind of heavy. We'd love to just swing them over there, but we're gonna swing into the house. Okay, YouTube, check it out. Our rigging line is over there. Goes up there, around, down, okay? My climb line is there, okay? Now I've taken that rigging line and I've brought it all the way to here. And I've clipped one on. Go ahead and bring it tight, Jeff. I've clipped one on with the sling from the Monkey Beaver Speedline kit. Just another way to use it. Okay. And now the idea here is we'll be rigging with the belly of the line as she lets the other end of the line down. We'll hopefully see this move that direction more than we would have the way we were doing it before. I hope that makes sense. I'll try to show you what it looks like. It's kind of a a big piece, but it's got a lot of friction in it now, eh? So we got a little more movement that way. It'd work really good if that side was lower than this side, but it's not, and you rarely want a low rigging point unless you're doing something huge. Now this one I'm going to cut. This one here could sweep my rope though. I wouldn't want that. Headache? Yeah. It'll move that way easier when you pull on it though. Got him out there? This time YouTube are gonna set one up for Jeff to just swing in like a hero. Tired of messing around with slow rigging. Maybe he can get this one in there. Yeah, take it up. Jeff scared the fence, but other than that, it was pretty good. Be nice if you tied a water on. I got one somewhere. It'll work if you turn around the other way, face the other way. Yeah, that'll work. Now I'll put my water on that hook. There's one over there by the astroturf. Here's the deal. We got 1, 2, 3, but we're actually going to do them 1, 2, 3, and then the one that you guys are riding will be last. But each of these we're going to try to put in the hole so we don't have to worry about span rigging or a second line or anything. No, you know, no screwing around. It's all on Jeff really though. So that's why we'll keep him a little small. So his job is to not hit the fence, not hit the house, and put him in the yard. Are you ready, Jeff? Well, it doesn't count as a hit. It touched, but you couldn't let it go fast enough. You want to try again? He wants to try again. The piece was heavy enough, but he got scared, he said so. But he still wants to try again. There was no like impact. Just a gentle little kiss like you're kissing your sister. Okay? So he's gonna try it again because he's brave and he's a super stud. And we're ready for it, Jeff. Tell me when you're ready. He's ready. No. Practice, practice, practice. If we don't give you a chance to get it, if we're too scared, it'll never happen. That was perfect.
I'll get this one out because they got another one coming. Okay.
This one has a camera on it. Tell me when you're ready, Jeff. He's ready. So good, Jeff, so good. So good, Jeff, so good. You can rescue my camera. This one, YouTube, I'll keep it a little bit small because it's wood. It would be a battering ram. Jeff can keep it up because it'll clear that roof there. He can keep it up and then kind of feather it into the spot. Take your time, Jeff. Do whatever you need to do. Watch out, Adam. He's waiting for a chance to bomb it. How fast will it? Oh, I see what you need to do, yeah. You need to be hands-free. Or device-free. Can you take it all the way out of the device? Or do you need to? Can you take it all the way out of the device, or do you need to? Is it too grabby? Oh yeah. That was just an awkward piece right there. Trying to stay clear of all of it. I was liking the 20-inch bar. I was liking the reach. Okay, they're both on. So YouTube, this one is a dampener just going over a limb back there. It's slowing the battering ram this direction. The further I move this way, the more the trajectory is changing until pretty soon they'll be swinging this way. We won't be worried about it as much. But right now we're still aiming at the corner of the house, and so we need something. I'm not going huge with the pieces because, again, my rigging spar is my is my climbing spar. Chain's gone loose on me. Is there a bar wrench nearby? To happen eventually. That did not fill it, the gas, but it'll definitely get me a little further. Yeah, believe it or not, I can feel that moving my spar. Yeah, it's dripping wet. It's heavy. So here, what we're doing with this piece, like before, this is kind of a big piece for my little rigging spar up there and for my climbing spar, right? So we're gonna take the load on this other line down here where we're strong. That'll take it initially, and then when we get to the end, if we want, we can put some of it on the smaller spar, just for the sake of positioning. wish I had a camera going on down there and you can see what they're doing to get this effect. It's pretty cool. Because look where the piece is. This is the no zone, that's the yes zone, and this is very heavy. Kind of cool. I think we're gonna call it a day and we'll come back tomorrow. It's probably enough tree for one day. I was looking at those windows, thinking I'll keep it moving. End of the day, we got our house in good shape. Our cement. We got our heat pump looking good. Everything's good. This saw, so when I was a new YouTuber, this saw was given to me by James Cabral. He was just like a friend, another YouTuber. And he had more money than me and stuff, and he was like, I'm giving him a new 200. And I got it for free, and then I had it modified, and then I had it decked out. I've had it for a long time. I haven't used it in years because it had an air leak, and then the other day we just went and got it fixed. So pretty happy.
Yeah, it looked fun.
Yeah, it was really handy having the bar, not having to call for a bigger saw when you're doing a 19-inch piece of wood.
Yeah.